Hi, my name is Debbie Kidd. I'm a licensed credit coach here at Origin SC. Lately, I've been getting a lot of phone calls about folks who are involved with the government shutdown. So folks who are not receiving their paychecks as they normally would, and they're frantic about, what about my mortgage company? What about my credit cards? What about my student loans? Well, give me a few minutes and let me try to explain all this to you. So the word that we want to pay attention to is forbearance. We want to have a few months that's just a relief period so that we can get back on track once the government reopens. So let's start with your mortgage company, for instance. So if you are worried about falling behind on your mortgage payments, what you need is a special forbearance. So this is going to allow you to have 1, 2, 3, 4 months, whatever it may be, until the government reopens and the lender is not going to be requesting payments from you. So it's a special circumstance where the government has shut down. It's something that we're not expecting to happen again, and so the lender is going to give you a reprieve. So special forbearance. Contact your lenders and ask for it. What about student loans? So student loans the same way. We don't want to have any negative credit on our student loans because it really does hit hard on the credit score. So what we want to ask for again is a forbearance. This is due to no fault of my own, but until I can get a paycheck again, I'm not going to be able to make my student loan payments. So the student loan companies are very flexible and they want to work with you in this situation. So again, call them and get yourself on a forbearance with your student loans for a temporary period of time, and then you can go right back to making those payments once you're getting a paycheck again. Car loans, another situation. If you have not been asking your loan company for forbearances along the way, usually around Christmas time or something like that, then you do have stored up 1, 2, or 3 forbearances with your car loan lender. And that also depends on how long you have your car loan out for as well. But at least if you can get 1 month's forbearance with your car loan, that's going to help you for January. And if you have 2 or 3 remaining, then you might want to move one over to February so that you know that your car loan will be on time for the month of February as well. And the other thing is credit cards. So with your credit cards, this is a little bit more tricky. Not all credit card companies are going to be, willing to assist you on this. But one thing I want you to look for is in your statement. I want you to see if you have been purchasing insurance on your credit card. So this insurance is usually like $1, $2, $3 a month, but a lot of times we don't know that we even have it or that we're paying for it. And that insurance will catch up your payments for you as long as you're out of work. So that might be an option. But also, again, asking your credit card companies if they can, forbear a few payments until you can get back to work. So a lot of resources there, and a lot of people want to help our fellow citizens with this problem. Again, it's no fault of your own, but unfortunately, you're right in the middle of this mix. So pick up the phone and contact your creditors, and they are there to help you. And I know you'll feel so much better once you do, and you'll get that stress off of you, okay? If you have any further questions, you can contact me at Origin, and my email address is dkidd, that's DKIDD, at originsc.org, and my phone number is 843-276-8744, and I'd be happy to answer your questions for you. I hope this was helpful.